So you tweeted on the casino differentiate between the government policies, no Goans and non-Goans.
See, it is what my thing is simple. No Goan can be stopped from entering inside, but playing should be banned. Is my stand from beginning, not now. 2012 onwards, I am speaking in the this August House, our legislative assembly, that Goans can enter inside anywhere because we have given legal license, but playing in the casino should be banned.
Once
But
Goan
technically, how good it is in eyes of law, we will have to check that.
So basically you are in support of entertainment and not of gambling.
Not of game.
But what,
So,
why only
for Goans.
why only floating casino? What about land casino?
All.
So basically, you don't want Goans.
Anybody, see, in a 5-star hotel, a casino is there. Goan can enter inside, but Goan should not be allowed to play.
So basically,
Sir, because it is, there is a lot of hue and cry also from our local Goan families that my son, my daughter or my father is going and gambling with the मायचे भांगर व्हरून गांडोल्ले आणि ते खूप आहात issues. So these issues needs to be solved on top.
so once
We are
Goan,
addressing the local Goan, middle class, upper middle class also are there who are going and gambling on daily basis or weekly basis, which has to stop.
so once Goans enter the casino, how it could be controlled?
It can be controlled very well. See, it is very simple. You show your identity. Every person has an identity card in his pocket wherever he goes. A tourist who comes will have an identity card, any identity card. So he shows the identity card, he is a tourist. तेका आयडेंटी कार्ड दिले तेका चिप्स मेवल्यो कोणाक आयडेंटी कार्ड नाल्यार चिप्स कशे दिवप
बट दुसरो सुद्धा कोण चिप्स घेऊन ताका दिवू शकता न्हू एकदा कॅसिनोन भितर सरलो काय तो दुसरो कोण ताका
the
help करू
people
शकता.
who are around know, who are working in the casino know who is who. So they can be told to stop. If they don't stop, they can be shown the way out.
So what type of identity card is it? The government?
सगळे न्हू आयडेंटिफाय कार्ड कितली दा आमची
Government.
आमची
Other
see it can be Aadhaar card, it can be voters card, it can be driving license, so many identities. It is finally address proof.
So, but how can the government stop the common person to enter the thing?
I am not saying not you can't, you can enter.
No, how while for playing for your thing.
See that technical the law on that, once government formulates the law, it is a law. Circular card law, notification card law, it is a law. So somebody will challenge that law, and how good it will stand in the court of law has to be seen. I am not commenting on the court of law what they will decision they will give. Discrimination between Mumbai person and a Goa person, that will depend on the court to give. But somebody will go to court. Notification आम्ही already काढलेले आहात त्याचे आता implementation चालू आहे
And
Sir.
what is the status of the Vere casino?
Vere casino already have.
No, shifting to.
Shifting that a company जे आम्ही already order दिली आहे. It is not Vere. Again we are making a mistake. That is river Mandovi. Mandovi river is Mandovi river. There is no constituency for Mandovi river. सगळे लोक तसे उलयता.
Jetty will be where in where?
Jetty तेंका जायला घालून नी. It is finally see. Minute you put jetty, business is there. Businesses start from there. Whether it is taxi point, whether it is store, whether it is a small gado, eateries, omelette roast करून लोकलाचे बिझनेस थिंगासर घालूंक जाता. Supermarket, restaurants and small points. All these businesses can grow over there. That depends on the MLA of that area and the panchayat. If they want, they'll put a jetty. If they don't want, they'll not put a jetty.
So that is
Jetties are already there in Panjim.